What's the meaning of black arts? Black arts. Black arts.
Black arts. Black arts. The term black arts refers to practices, skills, or knowledge that are considered to be sinister or unethical. It is often used to describe activities that involve deception, manipulation, or coercion, and are intended to achieve personal gain or power. These practices may include witchcraft, sorcery, necromancy, and other forms of magic that are associated with the supernatural. The term can also refer to more mundane activities like hacking, fraud, or espionage, which involve the use of technical skills to break into computer systems, steal information, or conduct surveillance. In general, the term black arts carries a negative connotation and is often associated with criminal or immoral behavior.